has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, northern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, Kosciusko County, Indiana, southeastern Marshall County, Indiana, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, showers and embedded thunderstorms with strong wind were located along the line extending from near Meadow to 6 miles east of Akron to near Wabash, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntington, Warsaw, Columbia City, Napanee, Winona Lake, Syracuse, Tri-Lakes, Bourbon, Kosciusko, South Whitley, Milford, Andrews, North Webster, Kirsten, Mentone, Tippecanoe, Roanoke, Etna, Silver Lake, and Etna Green. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: